Welcome to this sun salutation yoga practice. Thank you for being here. This practice is aiming toward giving you an energy boost, whether that's in the morning or in the middle of the day, and harnessing some of that potent energy from the sun. So we'll start in a comfortable seated position, whether that's on a block, a pillow, or your mat. Take some time to notice your breath. Remember, yoga is a practice of awareness and attention, bringing your attention back to yourself so you can unite with your inner sense of peace. So next we're going to go ahead and take a side stretch to the left, reaching your right arm up and over to the left. Come back to center and reach your left arm to the right. Come back to center. Next, we'll take some torso rotation. So start to really deepen your breath. Every time you move backward, breathe out. And every time you move forward with your chest expanded to the sky, breathe in and make sure to switch directions. Continue to breathe deeply and then come back to a neutral spine. From here, we'll meet in tabletop position with the shoulders stacked above your wrists and hips above your knees. Let's go in for some cat and cow. Starting with cow, lower your belly to the ground and look up high. And cat, breathe out as you tuck your tailbone down, tuck your chin in toward your chest. And continue to breathe and flow at your own pace. With every cow, you're opening up the front of your body and breathing in. With every cat, you're closing out the front of your body, lengthening your back as you breathe out. Next, go ahead and walk your hands to the front of your mat and move into an upward facing dog. Exhale into child's pose with the big toes touched. Inhale into upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Then exhale, tuck your toes, send your hips up and back and press into your hands for downward facing dog. Take a moment to pedal out your feet, get that stretch in your calves and your hamstrings. Next, on your inhale, look toward the front of your mat and slowly walk towards your hands. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, straighten out your spine, touch your shins. And exhale, fold forward once again, this time hooking your hands at your elbows for ragdoll. Swing from side to side to elongate your spine. And on your next inhale, slowly roll up to stand with your head and your hands as the last to rise. Exhale, hands to your sides. Inhale, roll your shoulders up, back, and down to open up the front of your chest. Standing in this mountain pose, Tadasana, a pose of much intention. Feel deeply rooted through your feet. Inhale, hands up high, reach back, look to the sky, and exhale, hinge at your hips for forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, right leg steps back into a low lunge, open your chest to the sky. And exhale, step your left foot back into downward facing dog, spreading all 10 fingers. Inhale into a plank. And exhale, slowly lower your knees to the ground, your chest and your chin. Option to lay flat on your belly here. Inhale for a cobra pose where you're lifting your chest to the sky and slightly hovering your feet off of the mat. And exhale back into downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot steps in the middle of your hands for low lunge. Exhale, right foot steps forward for a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, straighten your spine, and exhale, fold forward. On your next inhale, bend at your knees, raise your arms up to the sky, bend back. Exhale, allow your hands to float down to your sides. We're going to inhale as we roll our shoulders up, back, and down again, resetting the spine. Inhale, hands come to the sky. Exhale, hinge at your hips, fold forward. Inhale, step back with your left foot now for a low lunge, chest to the sky. And exhale, step back with your right foot into downward facing dog. Press into your hands and your feet. Inhale for plank. And exhale, knees, chest, chin, or lower onto your belly. On your next inhale, press through your hands for cobra pose, flexing your glutes and your back muscles. And exhale, press into downward facing dog. On your next inhale, step forward with your right foot for a low lunge. And exhale, step forward with the left foot for forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale for a halfway lift, straighten your spine, look down toward your knees, and exhale, fold forward. See if you can get a little deeper. Inhale, raise your arms to the sky, bend into your knees for mountain pose. Exhale, hands at your sides. Inhale, hands up high once again. We're greeting the sun here. Exhale, fold forward, hinge at your hips and fold into your thighs. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, plant your hands on the mat, step or jump back into a high plank and lower into halfway push-up, Chaturanga Dandasana. And inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. We're increasing the intensity just a bit here, so take some breaths here in downward facing dog to reset. Continuing to press through all 10 fingers, sending your hips back, looking toward your belly button. Oh, continue to breathe deeply as you reset in this position. And on your next inhale, look toward the front of your mat. Exhale, step toward the front into a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, press through your feet, lift up through your hands to the sky, look up high. And exhale, slowly float your arms back to your sides. Let's do another shoulder roll, breathing in and out as you roll your shoulders up and down, creating more spaciousness in your chest. Now let's take some neck rolls here. Exhale as you roll your neck down towards your chest. And inhale as you open your neck up to the sky, head looking high, and switch directions. Continue to breathe deep. On your next inhale, hands come up to the sky. Exhale, fold forward, hinge at your hips. Inhale, halfway lift, place your hands on your shins, and exhale, plant your hands on the mat and step back into a tabletop position this time. From here, inhale as you slowly roll up to your knees, knees mat width distance, and we're setting up for camel pose. So let's take a shoulder roll as you breathe deep and engage your core and your glutes as you slowly open your chest. You can place your hands on your low back, your thighs, or your ankles, whichever is accessible. We're engaging our core, we're opening our chest, breathing deeply here in the intensity. And then to release, go ahead and place your hands on the mat, loop your feet through and sit on your glutes. We're going to go into a butterfly pose from here. So untuck your feet, place your feet, the soles of your feet together for Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. Inhale, raise your hands high to the sky, and exhale, place your hands on the mat as you fold forward to whatever capacity is accessible for you in this moment. The hips store a lot of tension, so we want to take this opportunity to really release whatever we might be holding. So breathe into the sensation that you're feeling here in your hips. And when you're ready, take an inhale to slowly roll back up. Next, let's go ahead and extend the feet frontward. Inhale your hands up high and exhale, fold forward for a seated forward fold this time. Continue to breathe deeply here as we start to wind down. And on your next inhale, halfway lift, straighten out your spine to reset your spine. Exhale, fold forward. See if you can reach a little bit farther this time, or fold just even a centimeter deeper if that's in your practice. Take this moment to breathe deeply. Notice the sensations in your hamstring, your low back, and wherever else they are arising, and just simply sit with that. On your next inhale, slowly roll up so that your spine is straight. And from here, let's go ahead and push toward the front of your mat, slowly lower down into corpse pose, lying down pose, aka Shavasana. This is the final pose of rest and integration. You might want to spread your legs mat width distance or wider. Open your hands up to the sky and lay your arms on the mat or whatever other position feels comfortable. And from here, just allow yourself to let go for a moment. Deepen your breath and return as the observer, the witness to all the sensations, to all the thoughts. Notice that they're there without attaching, simply accepting this moment for what it is. When you're ready, begin to bring some movement into your body, and then lie on either side of your body, lying on your bicep for fetal position, and then push up into a seated position, the same position that we started this practice with. We'll just take a few moments here to notice where your breath is at. Notice where your mind is at. Take a moment to observe if you feel any different than you did at the start of the practice. And whatever that observation is, whatever that answer is, that is perfect, whether you feel a change or not. The beauty is that you are observing how you feel and you are sitting with it. And that is the most potent medicine of the practice. So let's just take a few more deep breaths here. Sitting with the deepened awareness that you cultivated during this practice and giving yourself gratitude for simply showing up. You can now return to a normal breathing pattern. And when you're ready, go ahead and blink your eyes open, place hands in heart center. Thank you so much for joining me during this practice. I bow to the light inside of you, and I'll see you next time.